I want to cause some mischief. And that plumber is a weirdo. Come on, watch. Here's the pipes. We need a plumber in here. Look at the pipes.
Oh, yeah.
You call the plumber? Actually, yeah. Alright then. Where's me work? Right there. I was fixed this yesterday. What you been doing, laddie? Not much, plumber, sir. Or is it a sir? Oh, get off, man. Just fix the pipes. Alright.
We asked you to fix the pipes.
Can you fix the pipes?
We'll fix them.
This might sound stupid, plumber, but you're pregnant. Oh, I'm giving birth.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Here's your baby.
I thought he came.
Oh no.
Here to fix the pipes. Don't give birth. There's a plumber giving birth in the house.
I think what's that? It's my baby. I just shouldn't give this away. So smelly. It's so smelly. Okay. Plumber, can you?
We get it. You love your
I hate you.
Oh my god, you just neglected your baby.
I'm the pregnant plumber, and this was the pregnant plumber. Oh wait, I've got to get my belly out. Don't look at the belly.